Welcome back to another chapter in the series How to Become an Android Developer, How to Find a Job as an Android Developer. In this lesson, we're going to talk about LinearLayout and TextView. Let's get going. So instead of constraint layouts, please remove that and type LinearLayout instead. Also, remove those four. Cool. Now let's talk about what TextView is. It's a view that displays text, just like that. We have the text attribute, we type hello world, and this is what we see. Now we're going to utilize TextView in order to display welcome back Shinzex and the login title. Let's begin with welcome back Shinzex. If I click on that, you have plenty of attributes to the right, and we're going to use that just like we would have in a real working environment to apply in our app. Okay, so we can see the font is Poppins, it's bold, the size is 20, and the color is white, which is 6 Fs. Every color is represented by 6 characters. You can see right here as it moves. Okay, we're gonna do white. So let's go back to Android Studio and start coding. First thing, we will change that to welcome back, comma, /n, which means new line, and Shinzex. Nice. Second, we're gonna do text color, and we saw that we need 6 Fs, which is white. Nice. Now we also want to change the text size, which was 20 SP. SP is the unit we use for text sizes in Android. Nice. Let's go back to Figma, and we can see there is some spacing from the top and from the left. Let's go to inspect, then just hover on welcome back, and you can see from the top 41, from the left 27. Let's add back to Android Studio. Then margin top, which means the spacing from the top is going to be 41. The units are DP, and the rule is like that. If it's not text size, it's DP. Text size is SP, anything else, DP. Cool. Now let's do margin left and 27 DP. Cool. Looks like the right place. Let's go back to Figma. Now we wanna go back and click design, and we need the Poppins font. Where do we get that font from? We can go to Google and just type Poppins font download Google, and Google will let us download fonts for free. We just click it and click download family. I come prepared, I'm a professional, and it's already downloaded right here. If I'll click on that, you can see that we have plenty in this Poppins family. Okay, a lot of siblings. I only need Poppins regular. Okay, we're gonna drag it here. Now we're gonna rename it because Android Studio doesn't like dashes, so we're gonna use underscore instead. We're gonna do Poppins underscore regular. Nice. Now we want to import it into Android Studio. Let's learn how to do that. We're gonna go to our resources folder, right click, new directory. Cool. Now we're gonna type font. Cool. Now we have a new directory, font. We'll go to our folder where it's located, and then we're gonna just drag and drop. You can click refactor, and this is how the font looks. Let's go back. We can close that. Go back to our activity main XML, to our text view. Then just type font family, which is mean what font we want. And again, Android Studio is smarter than all of us, so we just click tab because it knows that we have only one font currently, which is the Poppins regular, and we're going to use that. Again, no need for suffix, no need for the .ttf. Android Studio can do that for us behind the scene automatically. One more thing, we saw that in Figma it's bold, so let's make it bold as well. So we're gonna do text style, then bold. Okay, amazing. Now we're gonna implement the login one. Let's do that. Let's go back to Android Studio, create another text view, and we're gonna do wrap content, and we're gonna provide the text of login. But as you can see, those two are side by side, and I can show you better if I'll remove the margin top, the spacing from the top. I will put it back again later. You can see they are side by side. And why is that? Because the way linear layout behaves is it puts things in a linear way, one after the other. Okay, so I'm okay with it being one after the other, but I don't want it to be horizontally. I want it to be vertically. In order to do that, I will just specify the orientation and vertical. Thank you very much. Now I can bring back my margin top 41 because I want the spacing for welcome back. And as you can see, login is just underneath, stuck to that, to the bottom. Okay, so let's design the login one right now. So let's see first the spacing between login and the title, and it's 112.85. I have OCD, so if you don't mind, I'll do 113. So margin top 113 dp. Okay, cool. Now let's see the rest of the attributes. Size is 28. Cool. This is the color. I'm gonna copy that. Let's do that real quick. Text size 28 SP. Again, SP is the units for text size. And we're gonna assign the text color to the color I just copied. Cool. Now I want it to be in the middle, right? I want it centered. So I'll go back to Android Studio and I will write gravity, layout gravity, and center. That's it. One more thing that we need to do is set the font to Poppins. As you can see, this is Poppins regular. This one was bold. This one is regular. Cool. So we're gonna go back to Android Studio, font family, Poppins regular, and we are good to go. That's it. That's linear layout. Basically, it contains views and put the views one after the other, either horizontally or vertically. In our scenario, we want it vertically because our app is vertical. Okay, let me run the app to make sure it looks good. Until it runs the app, I'm going to explain a little bit what we're going to do the next lesson. We're going to talk about the input fields and then the buttons, and we will complete the login screen. Let's go back to Android Studio, to our app. Let's wait until it loads. Nice. Okay, amazing. We have welcome back Shinzex and login. That's it. That concludes this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. No. Bye.